What's going on, family? We are in the vent. Let me be the first to apologize for not sharing that cold start with y'all, but I was rushing, man, trying to get up out of here. So here's what I'm faced with. We're on our way to drop the car at the Stunna Galleria. Man, focus. I hope I can make it out this driveway. Fingers crossed. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna try. We're gonna get it down into winter mode. Let's see if we can get up out of here. We're gonna creep. I'm not gonna hit the gas. We're gonna see if we can get out of here. Creep. We're gonna have to hit the gas a little bit. All right. We're sliding a little bit. All right. We're doing all right. We're making it. We're creeping. We ain't gotta kill it. Whoa. There we go. Come on, baby. You can do it. Don't go sideways too much. There we go. Come on. We are sideways, y'all. We are sideways. Man. So we're gonna have to give it a little bit of pepper. Let's see. Oh my God. Let's see, guys. We're gonna try to pull it off. Oh no, this might be that determining factor. All right, let's get off the snow. Let's get it back up. We're gonna get us a running start and see what happens. Hopefully we can get up out of here. Oh, have mercy. Didn't expect that. Well, yes I did. Let's try it again. We're gonna have to do this off camera, guys, because I can't tell this car up trying to hold the camera. Get up out of here. So give me a second, guys. All right, guys. I just got to show y'all what I'm going through to get out this driveway. Look at this car, man. Lord have mercy. I'm making it. And I know everything else ain't crazy out here, but the streets are nice. I just got to get out the driveway. Lord. Let me show y'all what I'm going through, man.
Beats. Purchase your tracks today. Young Shy Beats.
We made it up the hill, guys. That should be good from here on out. Man, this show must go on. I ain't trying to be. This is an opportunity. You don't get that often. We trying to relish in it. Woo. Got some snow on my toes. I need to clean this thing off real quick. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Oh man, y'all see what I have to go through, man. Y'all see. are on the road, and look, man, after you get out the driveway, this is what we see. I know it's, you know, my driveway is something else, man. We got to get there now, man. We got to get there. So, I'm sure I kicked up a little moisture around the back, leaving. So I'll have to worry about wiping that down. But for the most part, man, I think we good, man. I think we good, man. I think we are Gucci. Man, we about to take it out of winter mode. Let's go into, we're gonna go into touring. I like riding in touring right now because it's a softer ride, and also I just got these new shoes on. Well, I guess I should feel what it feels like in sport mode. Let me put it in sport mode, man. See if the suspension, if the ride is horrible in sport mode. Don't feel too bad, man. Don't feel too bad. We might be able to get away with this. Because right now I got just over half a tank of gas. I got to be down to a quarter tank of gas before pulling in. And that's gonna mean for some spirited driving on the way there. Y'all wish me luck. Woo! So look, man, we're gonna focus on this road. Get to where we going. Right now, man, I think everybody's still going. The only person that is doubtful right now is Sublime. Sublime is feeling some kind of way. So, matter of fact, another thing I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna jump off with you guys, get Sublime a call real quick, and just let him know what I see while I'm out here, man. The roads ain't bad. It's just the driveway. I mean, everything is, you know, it's dusty. Probably got a layer of salt or something on it. It's dusty, but the roads ain't bad. So, man, let me jump off, man. I got to give my boy a call real quick, and I'll get back. Hold on. All right, guys, look like we good, man. Sublime is on the road. My understanding, everybody else then already reached out to Catfish, and, man, we are all Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. So, I'm about to focus on this road, and I'll hit you guys back or come back on, man. If anything is, you know, anything else happens interesting when we out and about, all right? Yeah. What's going on, family? We back at this thing, man. I think we cleaned up so we can start moving around a little bit, man. Everybody I think then got to where they need to be. But boy, look at it. Got that Stunna Butter popping on the wheels. Man, look at us, man. Look at us, man. We looking good, man. We looking good. Sheesh. Look at my man Ace. Ace is the place. Ooh. Stain game, look at Stain game, bro. Listen. This man talks so much crap, man. Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop the cap.
There ain't no cap. Ain't no cap, man. I got a cap on my head.
Look at this tire on the back. Man, look at this tire, man. Look what he got on the back, man. He about to fire it up. Man, look at Ace, man. Ace worked harder than a Hebrew slave.
That's master details number 2. That guy right there.
Oh my goodness, man. We looking good over here. We are looking good over. Look at this thing, y'all. He's so humble. Oh man. Sublime, bro. Y'all gotta see this license plate frame, bro. Look how he did the frame, dog. White frame with the stripe in the frame. Come on, man. This how we do it. Look at this thing. Nasty. That thing looks so mean.
It's not gonna help you.
It will help me.
I can't tag your name. Your name will come up blue if you're not monetized.
Oh, Really?
So when you at somebody, oh,
Little girl. Little girl looking good, man.
Young Shy Beats.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Put exhaust on that thing. Shoot.
Young Shy Beats.
Alpina Alice, bro, killing the game. Look at this thing. It's so pretty. He came, clean it, got on out. That's how you do it.
Young Shy Beats.
This thing looks so good. Man, they got some nice cars out here. I gotta show y'all my future car coming up, man. It's mine. It's mine. I should have brought my car cover. The dude's smart, man. He told me from getting dusty. And them wheels look so funky. Sheesh. Oh, they feel that thing up nice, man. That early lineup. What's up, brother? What's up? What's up? Man. Why you park so close to it, bro? Golly. You too close to it, man. Hey, you can visit it in my garage, but you a little bit too close to it, though. That's me right there. This thing is so nasty. Fish bowling still looking so good, boy. My goodness. I want this cup. For real, I want this cup. You can enter it to win as well, man. All you gotta do is go to the site, man, and enter to win. Get your tickets, man. Try to win this thing. Boy, this thing hits so nice. Man. I wonder if they gonna clean these
Young
things.
Shy Beats.
Who knows? So they got a plethora of everything on here, man. It's like the black power, man. Matte black. It's
Young
nice.
Shy Beats.
Everybody getting cleaned up, trying to get ready. They got a light show here. We definitely got to come see the best. Man, I love this color combination. Oh my God, I love this color combination. I have to consider this.
Young Shy Beats.
I'm gonna have to shift from red to gold, man. This is like, I love this, man. I'm C7, so we ain't gonna be really on the same level.
Shy
So you
Beats.
ain't gotta worry about me, interrupting too much of your mood. This thing is nasty. Oh, bro, yo, this what we doing? What?
first in the world.
Oh my goodness, man. You got social media or anything?
Yeah, I got on my YouTube, Chris Lottie 23.
Chris Lottie 23, man. Nice to meet you. Soul 55, man.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yes, sir.
This thing is nice, though, bro.
Appreciate you.
Golly. Appreciate you sharing it with us. You know, it's kind of easy for me to like this being a Saints fan and all, so, you know, I'm just saying. That's how we do. Bro, you killed it. This thing is so nice. God. Look like it's about to take off. Look like it's about to take off. Oh, you acting fool with this thing. Oh yeah, it is about to take off. Yeah, it will take off. It will take off. I ain't mad at you. It's nice, bro. It's nice. God, it's so nice.
Young Shy Beats.
Man, everybody getting them together. All the best. Can't miss the best. Man, fool over here. Golly. So before the show.
Young Shy Beats.
And these things so nice. Man, they are nice. Got a lot of wheels on this thing. Man, oh wow, they got the carbon fiber on the back. That's nasty. That is nasty. Wow. Never seen that before. This thing is so nice. Don't run up on them, man. That twin turbo shake your life up. Nasty, nasty. Alright guys, now like somebody spin tires out here. What is going on? Listen, I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way around today, but we're gonna probably do a little moving around. Got a lot of music playing, man, so we gotta be careful with the copyright. So we'll see how this works out. But for the most part, man, still a lot to see. Still a lot to see. Another white vet over here. I like the high wing, but that's not the high wing I like. Got a lot of vets here. I didn't realize there would be that many vets, but we got a lot of vets. Look at this. This is what we gonna do? This is what we gonna do? This is what we gonna do?
Yeah, we're gonna do that today.
I'm so mad I left my dog on cover at home, man.
You gotta sit here overnight.
You might as well be glad like me, man. We both out here. We out here collecting our little bit of dust.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we just gonna collect our little bit, man. We all right.
It's my first big one, so I'm gonna get better over time. I hope. But this thing looking good, though. Golly. Woo. Yes, sir. See.
Look at that white. Hey, man, is that a tow road?
Bruh, come on, man.
Match it with the car.
Come on now.
Come
Look
on.
at what we doing.
Whoa,
Look what we
whoa.
doing.
Match it with this side.
Young
Look,
Shy Beats.
Look.
I ain't got nothing.
Listen, man. Listen, man. Listen.
Purchase your tracks today.
You know what the sad part, bro? I literally walked away from this car to walk back to it to really see it, because I never really looked at it.
I can see you have it.
I never really looked at it, like, and especially clean. I put the wheels on, I did, nah, it's clean. It's popping, bro. I'm still tripping his mind. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Tracks today.
This thing is nasty.
Man, what size tires you got on back here?
225, 25, 325, 25, 20s. It's a little smaller than factory. Factory is 335, 25.
Young
Yeah.
Shy
You
Beats.
up there, mama?
killing me with